Bravo 6-2, what you want? Position at the cafe. 2 of the tables at my 3 o'clock. 1 cartel, 1 Iranian.
How cozy. What are they up to?
Conducting a transaction.
Electronically.
Affirm.
They're paying the cartel for something.
Let's figure out what.
Security?
Several.
I'll deal with them.
Well, don't take all the fun, eh?
Copy. Coming your way now.
Syringe.
Poison?
Non-lethal. It'll take him out of commission.
CIA shit.
Welcome to my world. Use the needle on the guards and we roll up our cartel friend.
And you?
Exfil. Say when.
Roger that.
06, sitrep.
Talking timeline.
When are they moving?
Tonight.
Stay on them. We need to know what it is and where it's going.
Copy.
Hold up. 2 cartel guards under the bridge.
Got a visual.
Keep your weapons concealed. Let's see if they split up. Okay, one's leaving.
Heading my way.
I'll tail him.
I'll take the one at the bridge.
Moving.
Get the fuck! Oh, he's late. One too many, huh? Guards down. Bridge is clear.
Good work. Regroup on me.
What you want? The cargo is human. 1 VIP bound for the US.
Who, John?
Major Hassan Zayani.
Christ. That means he's in Mexico.
Means it's time to stop him.
We need to roll up our cartel friend for a talk. Now.
If Hassan gets a missile anywhere near the US, there'll be a death toll.
What's the call? There's guards all over him.
We haven't scouted the area. There could be more guards.
There's no time to case the area, John. We need a distraction.
I've got something. Meet at the cafe, guys.
Take it.
The bloody hell is this?
Decoy grenade. It'll work. Get back to Laswell. Let's kick this off.
Down the alley. When panic starts to spread, that's when the cartel moves him.
That's where I come in.
On you guys.
Gaz, head down. Gaz, the guards are incoming. Take one, I'll get the other.
Hey! Rog. Don't fucking... Guards are down. Heading your way, Cap.
Make it fast.
I'll secure Exfil.
Meet you at the bridge.
I'm moving in.
Shut your mouth. Follow me. What you want? Packet secure. Heading your way.
Copy.
Cartel behind us! Cover, Sergeant! What's the one? Take your fire. Bring myself outside.
I'll secure Exfil.
Meet you at the bridge.
I'm moving in.
Shut your mouth. Follow me. What you want? Packet secure. Heading your way.
Copy.
Cartel behind us!
Cover, Sergeant! What you want? We're taking fire. Bring hostiles to our side.
Copy. I'm inbound. Be advised, police are on the way. 3 minutes out.
Stop them fast. We have to move.
Clear.
Guys, bring the syringe. Jab him. Let's get him up. Watch out. Time to move.
Copy. On my way.
Get him in.
Nice work.
You too.
We need to find where they're moving Hassan and intercept him.
Yeah, we'll wake him up. Have a little chat.
How do we know we'll talk?
I can be very persuasive.